Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is part 3 of our series Speak English Fast. First of all, I'm so happy you are here. That means you are not just a passive learner. You are someone who wants to take action and actually speak in English. And that is the most important thing. And I'm so grateful for all the people who commented in my earlier video, part 2. I received a lot of comments, people telling me that it was a very useful session. It's very useful to improve English speaking and they need more sessions like this. And I'm here with part 3 of practicing English for 30 minutes. So why speaking English is so important? Speaking English opens so many doors in life. Better job, global opportunities, confidence in conversations, travel, connection and freedom. But here's the truth. Most people just read or listen to English. They forget to practice English speaking. And without speaking English out loud, you will not improve fluency. That's why this video is special. We will speak continuously in English for the next 30 minutes. Also, if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 of this video, please try to watch it first and then continue watching part 3. It will be very helpful if you follow that pattern, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Now, before going to the practice session, here are 3 simple practices that can help you improve your English speaking. 1. Speak loudly, even if you make mistakes. Don't be shy. Speak out loud like you're talking to a real person. Fluency comes from doing, not just understanding. 2. Don't translate from your native language. I always repeat this in my all videos, like you should not translate from your native language. You should directly think in English. Even simple sentences like I need to go now or it's so hot today. Just think simple sentences in English. That is enough to improve your English fluency. Third one, repeat and shadow. When I speak, try to copy me. Not just the words, but also the rhythm and the tone. Just try to follow how I speak it. That's called shadowing and it's one of the best fluency technique. Now let's see what you will do in this video. We have 3 activities. The first one is daily life questions. Speak about real life. Second one, fix and speak. Correct common mistakes and speak clearly. Third one, connect and continue. Expand your sentences and speak longer. Don't just listen. Grab some water, sit in a quiet place and speak with me. I will pause after each question so you can give your answer. If you need more time, you can pause this video, give your answer and then continue. Also, for some questions, I'll give you the sample answer so that you can repeat it after me. So this is your time, your speaking practice session. Are you ready? Let's speak English together. Fast, clearly and confidently. Let's start with activity 1, daily life questions. I will ask you 1 question and I'll pause for 5 to 7 seconds. If you need more time, you can pause this video and you should say your answer out loud. These questions are based on your everyday life. Speak naturally and fully. Question number 1. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I'll give you a sample answer. If you want, you can repeat after me. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I like to start my day early with some quiet time. If you want, you can repeat after me, or if you want, you can change this answer according to your wish. You can modify this answer like your own answer. Question number 2. How do you usually spend your weekends? How do you usually spend your weekends? On weekends, I relax, clean my room, and sometimes go out with friends. Question number 3. What's your favorite way to relax after work or school? What's your favorite way to relax after work or school? I like watching movies or listening to music. It helps me a lot. How often do you talk in English every day? How often do you talk in English every day? Okay, now I am giving a sample answer from your side. You can say, not much, but I'm trying to speak more every day through videos like this. Do you plan your day or go with the flow? Do you plan your day or go with the flow? I usually make a rough plan so I don't waste time. What's one thing you want to improve in your daily routine? What's one thing you want to improve in your daily routine? I want to wake up earlier and use my mornings better. So that's activity 1. Now let's move on to activity 2. You will hear a wrong sentence. Your task is to correct that sentence and add something more to that sentence. You should first say the correct version out loud and try to add something more to that sentence. I'll give you one example. Question number 1. She go to work every day. Can you correct this sentence? The correct answer is she goes to work every day. Now, how can I expand this sentence? I can say she goes to work every day at 9 a.m. and return by 6. So this is one example. Now you should try to correct every sentence and expand each sentence. The second question is, I am study in the library. I am study in the library. The correct answer is, I am studying in the library. And you can expand this sentence like this. I am studying in the library because I have a test tomorrow. Next question, he don't know me. He don't know me. The correct answer is, he doesn't know me. And you can expand this sentence like, he doesn't know me yet, but we will meet soon. You can expand this sentence according to your wish, okay? You can make a different sentence. You don't have to strictly follow mine. Next question, they was playing outside. They was playing outside. The correct answer is, they were playing outside. Where? They were playing outside. And you can expand this sentence like, they were playing outside until it started raining. The next question is, I didn't saw the message. I didn't saw the message. You might feel like there isn't any mistake in this sentence, but the correct sentence is, I didn't see the message. See, I didn't see the message. I didn't see the message because my phone was off. I hope activity 2 was very helpful for you. Now let's move on to activity 3. Connect and continue. You hear a sentence, then you expand it. You should add details. Speak 2 to 3 lines, okay, not one single sentence. You should expand it and speak at least 2 to 3 lines. Earlier we expanded it, but we just expanded one sentence. But here you need to add 2 or 3 lines extra. The first one is, I visited my uncle last week. I visited my uncle last week. You can expand this sentence like, I visited my uncle last week in his new house. We had dinner together and talked for hours. Second sentence, I was feeling very tired yesterday. I was feeling very tired yesterday. I was feeling very tired yesterday because I worked late and didn't sleep well. I saw something interesting today. I saw something interesting today. You know, these sentences are very helpful to improve your creativity in English. You can think something creative for this sentence. I saw something interesting today at the park. Someone was doing yoga with their dog. My best friend is someone who. My best friend is someone who. My best friend is someone who always supports me. We have known each other since school. The next one is, I feel proud when. I feel proud when. I feel proud when I speak English without fear. Even small wins matter. Now the next question, I want you to expand this sentence and comment your answers below. I want to know your opinion and I want to know what do you think about this session. So I'll give you the beginning of a sentence, you need to continue it and I need 2 to 3 lines, okay? Don't forget to comment it down. This English speaking session is very helpful because. This English speaking session is very helpful because. I won't give you a sample answer this time because this is your turn. This is a little challenge, very small challenge. Okay? Comment down what do you think about this session below. So my friends, you did it. You just completed 30 minutes of real English speaking practice with me and that's amazing. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment your answer like I said earlier and subscribe for part 4 coming soon. In part 4, we will take it up a level. You will face faster questions. You will learn how to speak longer answers and we will introduce a new activity called 3-2-1 speaking practice where you speak for 3 minutes, then 2 minutes and then 1 minute all about one topic. It's a powerful fluency booster. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon and come back for part 4 of Speak English Fast series. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just speak. Speak every day. That's how you get fast and fluent. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.